Wines have so many variations and variety. Most of us only knew red or white wine, but wines are also made from barrel flavors like smoky classic, right? In the last video, we saw how I went crazy and got load put. Well, wine was the answer, but what was the question? Please spread your love by liking and sharing this video. And don't miss to subscribe LSD, Lovey's Secret Diaries. If you haven't seen part 1, here is the link. Let's get wine tasting started.
Tastings, has anyone been in tastings before? Or someone knows how do you taste a wine? Anyone?
5S.
5S of wine and what are
Yeah.
they? And the 5S, we see the wine, we swirl the wine, we sniff the wine, we sip the wine, and the very last one is we spit the wine. Then don't worry, when I say spit, you don't need to spit your wines, you can enjoy your wines. Now I've learned from tasting team, when we go for tasting, there are approximately 40 to 50 wines to be tasted. And if I'll be gulping every sip of wine, I'll be a bit high on alcohol. And I won't get the taste of the next wine what's coming there. That's the part we spit it out. So now we'll be tasting 6 wines. We'll start with the sparkling wine, 2 white wines, 2 red wines. And in the end we'll go with the dessert wine. Now people, you might have heard about champagnes, sparkling wine. Now champagne and sparkling is the same thing, but we cannot call it as champagne because this wine is not made in Champagne region of France. The name is Brut Chardonnay. Chardonnay is the name of a grape. It's a king of white grape, where the word brut on the bottle refers to the level of sugar that cannot be more than 12 grams per bottle. So that's a dry style of wine. So we'll start the tasting with a very basic step. How do you hold a glass of wine? So I can see 2 different ways. Some of them by the stem, some of them by the bowl. Let's go with this way first. Cupping your glass. When I try to cup a glass, guys, I completely understand that when you grab a glass in this manner, it looks very classic, very fashionable. And I personally call this way as a James Bond manner of holding a glass. But ideally, that's the wrong way. How do you hold a glass?
Exactly.
When you cup, the temperature of your palm, it hits the temperature of wine. And if you're tasting any wine at the wrong temperature, it will never serve you the proper taste. So always hold it by the stem. Let's go the first is to see the wine. Take your glass and have a look. As you see the wine, you can see some tiny gaseous bubbles inside it. बहुत छोटे-छोटे bubbles हैं. That shows the quality of sparkling. Smaller the size of the bubble, better the quality. Bigger the size, lower the quality. Now this has been under 2 fermentation, one inside a tank and secondly inside a bottle for 18 long months. That's how the bubble goes very small and very fine. Let's go with the second is that's to swirl the wine. But guys, don't swirl your glasses. Now people who swirled it more, they might have lost the charm of the wine because that's the sparkling wine, carbon dioxide. If you swirl it more, just have a look on my glass, do not swirl your glass. If you swirl it more, like say for 30, 40, 50 seconds, 1 minute, and if you see my glass and if you compare it with your glass, my glass won't be having a less amount of bubbles as compared to you. Swirling, let the CO2 evaporate and you would lose on the crisp or the charm of it. Let's go with the third is to sniff your wine. When you sniff your wine, dig your nose inside the glass and take a nice sniff. Sniff your wine. This wine serves a very prominent flavor of green apple inside. Let's go with the fourth is that's to sip the wine. And guys, hold on. I know people are very eager. I can see some thirsty faces to taste your wine. But guys, just one question, people. Whenever we taste wines, any of the alcoholic drink, why do you say cheers before having any of the alcohol? Cheers, everybody, cheers. Why do you say like we can see the wine, we can feel the wine, we can sniff the wine, we can taste the wine, but you cannot hear the wine. So you clean your glasses and then you go for it. So cheers to the very first wine we will go for.
Cheers.
Okay, perfect. So guys, when you say tastings, never sip your wine like a vodka tequila shot, bottles up. Never. If you try to gulp your wines, wines would never serve you the proper taste. Hold your glasses and have a look. Now whenever you see white wines, lighter the color of white wine, younger the wine, darker the color of white wine, older the wine. Being fermented inside a barrel, so due to the wood contact, the color comes to the wine.
It's a white wine.
Now guys, it has no bubbles, so let's get a nice swirl to it and let's sniff the wine. As you sniff, this gives a bit herbaceous flavors coming out of it, like green grass. Get some capsicum, bell pepper, asparagus coming out of it. So, if you just try to gulp your wines the same way what you did for your previous wine, this wine won't open that promptly and it won't serve you that proper taste too. So when you say tasting a non-sparkling wine, it becomes a bit different. So I'll show you how to taste the wine professionally. Have a look first and then you can go for it.
Sir ke piyo.
Now why do you taste the wine in this way? When you take a sip, when you swish it down, your entire palate gets coated. Everyone might have given a try to sip a tea in a saucer. Try to slurp it, we say kurki maar ke peena. You're pulling some air. So when you pull some air, it gets aerated on your tongue, the fruit opens up and you get the best note coming out of it. Cheers for this one guys, go for it. Let's go with the third wine now. Let's see the wine.
Chardonnay.
Now as you see the wine, the color of the wine is slightly more darker than the previous one. Now previous was fermented, this has been aged inside a barrel for a bit longer duration. So the color of the wine becomes much more dark. Let's get a nice swirl going and let's sniff the wine. Now as you sniff this wine, this would be slightly sweeter on your nose. You get some prominent flavors of musk melon, karboja. Very light, very smooth. Cheers for this one guys, go for it. Cheers people. Please do not presume these crackers to be the ideal chocolate for the normal people. Just to clean the palate, so take a bite of it and we'll start with the red wines. This red would be very bold on your palate, so get the exact taste. Let's clean up the palate. And let's go with the very first test, that's to see the wine. Let's go with the first test people, let's have a look. To see a red wine, if you try to hold your glass in this manner, if you see the wine, the color of the wine is very dark, you cannot see anything. So always hold your glasses tilted in front of you. Place your palm behind the glass, or you can take a white background and you can have a look. You can see the rim, the edge of the wine would be slightly lighter than the mid part. As you age your red wine, the color becomes lighter day by day and the color of white wine becomes darker day by day. That's how you age the wine. This goes in the barrel from 8 months to 12 months. Let's swirl it and let's sip the wine. I see flavors coming on your nose like cinnamon, clove, woody, smokiness into the barrel. Let's taste the wine, people. Cheers for this one. So going on with the next red wine, the name is Rasa Cabernet Sauvignon, the best brand from Sula. Rasa again, this is Rajesh Cabernet Sauvignon, that's the name of a grape, it's a king of red grape. This goes inside a barrel for the longest duration from 15 to 18 months. Has the highest alcohol but the least in the sugar content. Let's get a nice swirl and let's sniff the wine. That's due to a high amount of aging here. Cheers guys.
Yeah, अच्छा.
Wine from Sula, the name is Late Harvest Chenin Blanc. Chenin Blanc is the name of a grape. Late harvest is a process where the grapes are plucked out very late. Whenever you use any fruit on the plant for maximum duration, it would overripe. Overripening would mean addition of sugar naturally to the grape. Grape can also become a raisin kishmish, where water goes very low and the sugar goes very high. And when you use a raisin to make a wine, the end product that you get is that's very sweet. Let's go with the first test. Let's see the wine people. Let's have a look. Same thing, it goes on your palate as well. You get some fully ripe mangoes, pineapple, honey nectar, prunes. That's very sweet. So this is a dessert wine. You can have this wine after your meal like a dessert, or you can pair this wine with some dessert. Cheers for the very last one people.
वो पसंद आएगा.
It's gonna be sweet. I'm gonna like it. Maybe. Let's see. are the 6 wines we tried. Choose your favorite wine from a huge variety. Go ahead, grab your favorite wine. It's a treat from LSD. बिल खाते में जोड़ देना. These are the special edition wines you get exclusively in Sula. Under the Sula sun, you can create a memory that lasts longer on this board.